Section 5. Commissions. Specifically, manager versus partner commissions.
You really need to notice the stark contrast here. A manager's commission is a charge. It's totally non-negotiable. You have to pay your manager no matter how well the firm did, so it goes straight into the standard profit and loss account. A partner's commission, though, that's an appropriation. It's just another slice of the leftover profit, assuming there even is any, so we handle it exclusively over in the P&L appropriation account.
When you're actually calculating those commissions, there's a sneaky little mathematical detail you cannot miss. If the agreement says the commission is calculated before charging such commission, you just multiply the profit by the standard rate over 100. Super easy. But if it explicitly says after charging, the denominator shifts. You have to take the rate and divide it by 100 plus the rate. So a 10% commission suddenly becomes 10 over 110. If you miss that one tiny phrasing difference, your entire calculation is going to be off.
Finally, Section 6. Capital accounts. The final destination for all this math.
Okay, we've crunched all the numbers. We've figured out the interests, the salaries, the commissions, and the leftover profits. Now, all that calculated money finally gets dumped into the partner's individual accounts. And there are two main ways to track this. With fixed capital, you draw a strict boundary. You actually split the tracking into two separate accounts, a core capital account and a current account. But with fluctuating capital, you just throw absolutely everything into one giant fluctuating bucket called the capital account. Oh, and if a problem doesn't tell you which one to use, always default to fluctuating.
Let's zoom in on that fixed capital method for a second, though. Under this system, that main capital account is like a vault. It stays virtually untouched unless a partner makes a massive permanent change to their baseline investment. Meanwhile, the current account acts like their checking account. It absorbs all the messy day-to-day action. Interest on capital, salaries, commissions, drawings, and interest on drawings. It basically shields the core investment from all the daily noise of the business.
We have covered a huge amount of ground today, from silent deeds to tricky time periods and shrinking profit pies. Now that you've seen the mechanics behind the curtain, here's the real test. Are you ready to take this framework and absolutely crush those massive comprehensive exam problems? Everything you need is right here. Keep visualizing how that money flows, keep practicing those rules, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.